Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle. For those of you who do not know me, hi, welcome. I'm so glad you stopped by today. Today I am doing a face-off collab with the beautiful and talented Lisa Lobotomy. We are going to be using the Strawberry Dream palette by Lunar Beauty. I'm excited because it has been a while since I've actually played with this palette, and I don't think I've even played with it here on my channel. I kind of purchased it on a whim and just haven't gotten around to using it. So I am super excited to be collaborating with Lisa today. It has been a while since we have done a collab. We've both been kind of like, we've both been quietly watching each other's videos and things, and I am so excited to be collabing with her today. Really quick, I'm going to go ahead and swatch the shades that we are going to be using today, and then I will get into the look and talk about Lisa a little bit more. So the shades that we got are Pink Flash, Sunset, Cloudy, Blue Diamond, which I'm so excited we have that shade, and Sweet Dream. Really quick, I'm going to swatch them for you, and then I'm going to prime my eyes and I'll be on to the look. So we have the hot pink, Pink Flash, we have Blue Diamond. Oh, I think I got a little pink in it, but oh, I love that. Sweet Dream. Then we have Sunset and Cloudy. So these are the, wow, Cloudy did not really show up there. These are the 5 shades that we got. It's going to be a very kind of pink romantic look. I was shocked when I drew the shades. I was like, wow, we're going very pink. We didn't get any of the blues or the brown. Okay, here we go. So yeah, that's what we got. I'm gonna quickly prime up my eyes and I will be right back. Okay, so I zoomed you guys in. We're back. I've primed my eyes. We're gonna go ahead and jump right into this. I have no idea what I'm going to do today. I want to be as creative as I can. Oh, before I get started, let me explain to you what a face-off is. I get so excited that I forget to explain what it is. Essentially, a face-off is where you and another creator or a group of creators all have the same eyeshadow palette. You randomly select, or somebody in your group randomly selects 5 shades, usually using a random number generator. Once those shades are selected, you and any other creators that are participating will use the exact same 5 shades to create a look. So that is what we are going to do today. You can use any kind of other things you want to. Generally speaking, I try to keep it to the shades in the palette, maybe some eyeliner, maybe some glitter, you know, just to jazz everything up a little bit. So it's kind of up to each person. Sometimes I'll use highlighters in my inner corner, things like that. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and get started. I don't want to forget to mention what it is, because I do have some new subscribers and some people who've asked me, well, what is that? And I realized I did not explain it in the video. I just get ahead of myself. I'm sorry. So to start off, I'm actually going to take the shade Sunset right here, and I'm going to put that right into my crease. I'm going to take it on a Luxie 111 mini flat angled brush. So Lisa and I want to say we've known each other for a little over a year, maybe a little bit longer than that. I've been watching her videos for quite a while now. And my favorite videos, I love when she does chit chat get readies with me, and I also love when she dupes palettes. I want her to do more of those videos. So I really like when she dupes palettes because it helps me not to purchase so many. And she's also contemplating going on a no buy, which if you do decide to do that, I will totally be there watching because I am fascinated when people go on no buys. I've tried. I've gone on like a couple months kind of no buy, but I just don't think that's my thing. It's going to be interesting because we don't really have like a shade to kind of really deepen everything up. But anyway, I really find Lisa to be very down to earth and very just kind of easy to watch. I watch her videos a lot when I am busy doing other things just because I like to listen to her talk about life and talk about things that are going on. I also love when she does makeup looks because I think she has a very different way of looking at makeup than I do, and I kind of like that. I'm getting more into watching people who have a different kind of style or take on makeup. She does love very colorful makeup, but she also will occasionally do like a neutral leaning look. And I really think they look really pretty on her. Okay, so I just kind of blended it out slightly. I'm going to actually take that same brush that I just used, and I'm going to take Cloudy. I think I'm going to do this eye off camera. And I'm just going to blend everything out with that shade. So if you have not checked her channel out, I do highly recommend it. She's just, I really enjoy watching her videos and her take on makeup and just kind of life in general. And her and I believe, are right around the same age. Also, if you see glitter all over my face, I'm sorry. I did a different makeup look earlier and, well, the glitter won't leave. So it's here to stay. It's gonna get covered up by foundation anyway. Okay, so once I have that blended the way I want, I'm actually going to take Sweet Dream right there, and I'm going to place it about halfway, and then I'm going to do something with Blue Diamond because I have to. You can't get that shade and not do something fun with it. But really quick, before I do that, I'm going to prime my entire lid with the NYX Glitter Primer, just because I really want those shades to pop. Kind of like a faux cut crease. So I'm going to go into Sweet Dream, and I'm just going to take that on a flat shader brush. And I'm only going to take it to about halfway. Just kind of take it slightly over that pink, and then I'm going to go back in with the brush that has Sunset on it, and I'm just going to lightly blend everything together. And then I'm going to take Blue Diamond on another flat brush. That's that shade right there. I'm hoping with the glitter glue that it really kind of helps to show the reflect of this shade, because I do think that this is absolutely gorgeous. And I am going to kind of try and blend it over the top of Sweet Dream just a little bit, just to kind of get those two to blend. And then I'm going to take that brush that had Sweet Dream, and I'm just going to go right back over that. And I want to fix this portion just a little bit. Okay, so really quick, I'm going to pop off camera. I'm going to do the other eye, my base makeup, as well as my liner, and then we will do the lower lash line and everything else. It's going to be so fun. I might pull out some glitter for us to do in a little bit. So I will be right back. Okay, I'm back and I am very, very highlighted. We're gonna go ahead and start with the lower lash line. I'm going to take this LA Girl Shockwave Neon Lip Liner in Fiery, and I'm going to run that in my waterline. I didn't want my highlight to be like a general highlight color, so I used my BH Cosmetics Blacklight highlight palette. So yeah, anyway, so the last shade that I have available is Pink Flash, and I'm going to run that along my lower lash line. And I'm just going to take this is another Luxie 141 mini round brush, kind of tap that on there and run it along. So really quick, I do want to use a couple of these. I think because this is really pink, I want to go in with this one. This is the Dear Katie Brown Razor Shine Glitter Liner in Flirt, and I'm just gonna follow the top line of that. I'm not gonna put down any other kind of color. I just kind of wanna make it a little more glittery. And just in case you're wondering, these do have kind of a slight pigment to them. Oh yeah, we're gonna do the other eye like that too. I'm probably gonna use the other one in my inner corner. I love glitter. Okay, so now I'm going to, so now as those are drying, I'm going to go into the BH Cosmetics Blacklight highlight palette, and I'm going to take the shade Strobe and place that in my inner corner. So originally I was going to take Blue Diamond in my inner corner, and then I decided to do something completely different and kind of off the wall. So I'm just going to take this on a pencil brush. I'm going to run it in my inner corner, and then I'm going to take that other Dear Katie Brown glitter and kind of place that over the top to give it a little more sparkle. So now that I have that placed, I'm going to take a little bit of this Razor Shine liner in Thirst Trap, and I'm just going to place that right in my inner corner. Just to give it a little more shine. This is a very, very, very like romantic look. I think I'm going to go for a very kind of a pink leaning look, and I'm going to take the Almay Lip Vibes in Love Bug, this pink shade, and I'm going to put that on my lips. We're just going to be pink on pink on pink today. And here's the final look. I kind of really like how it turned out. You guys will have to let me know what you think. I'm super excited to see what Lisa did with her look. I will have her channel as well as her video linked down below, so please do go check her out and tell her that I sent you. And if you're from Lisa's channel, thank you so much for coming to check me out. I do hope that you will subscribe and join my YouTube family here. I do hope that you enjoyed this video. Please give it a like, subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and leave a comment down below so that we can chat. Thank you guys again, and I do hope that you have a wonderful day, night, wherever you are, and bye!